Hello, so this is a revision video for AP Chemistry 3.7, Solutions and Mixtures. This is a revision video, so only the essential information is covered. For more detailed explanations and for full video lessons, please check the links in the description below and visit chemistrystudent.com. A solution is a type of homogeneous mixture, a physical combination of substances with the same properties throughout the sample. For example, ethanol and water mixed together creates a homogeneous mixture, uniform throughout. In contrast, a heterogeneous mixture has parts with visibly different properties or compositions. For example, water and grease or water and oil form a heterogeneous mixture. It is non-uniform. In any solution, the solute is the substance being dissolved and the solvent is the substance doing the dissolvent, and is always present in a greater amount. For example, if a substance dissolves in water, the solvent is the water and the solute is the solid that dissolves in the water. Molarity, M, is used to express the concentration of solute in a solution. The formula is M equals moles of solute divided by volume of solution in L, where M equals molarity, moles per litre, moles equals the amount of substance, and the volume of solution is given in litres. We can also rearrange this relationship to give volume in litres equals moles divided by molarity. Exam tip here. Always check whether you're being asked for molarity, volume, or moles. It's easy to mix them up, and be very careful with your units. When concentration is given in terms of molarity, the volume used is always litres, so convert to litres first.